Hey man, let's talk about a trait that separates the men who constantly chase validation from the ones who effortlessly command respect and attraction. Detachment, not coldness, not indifference, but the quiet, powerful ability to walk away, not because you don't care, but because you value your peace more than her approval. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. Let's break it down. 1. What is detachment and what it's not? Detachment isn't about being emotionless or unavailable. It's about being emotionally self-sufficient. It means you don't need her to validate you, complete you, or make you feel worthy. You're already whole. When you detach, you stop reacting to her moods, tests, or games. You stop chasing. And ironically, that's when she starts chasing you. 2. Why detachment is so attractive to women. Women are biologically wired to test a man's emotional strength. They want to feel your presence, but they also want to know you won't crumble under pressure. When you're detached, you radiate calm, grounded energy. You're not trying to impress. You're not seeking approval. You're just being. And that energy, it's magnetic. It tells her, I'm good with or without you. And that's when she leans in. 3. The dangers of attachment and neediness. When you're overly attached, you become reactive. You overthink her texts. You seek constant reassurance. You fear losing her. And that fear, it's unattractive. It signals insecurity. But when you're detached, you operate from a place of abundance. You know your worth. You're not afraid to walk away. And that confidence, it's irresistible. 4. How to cultivate detachment. Focus on your purpose. Make your mission your priority. Women are drawn to men who are driven and purpose-oriented. Embrace solitude. Learn to enjoy your own company. It builds self-reliance and reduces neediness. Set boundaries. Know your non-negotiables and stick to them. It shows self-respect. Practice mindfulness. Stay present. Don't let your mind spiral into what-ifs or future anxieties. Limit overinvestment. Don't give more than you're receiving. Keep the energy exchange balanced. 5. Real-life scenario. Detachment in action. Imagine she pulls away, becomes distant, or starts playing games. The attached man panics, chases, and tries to fix things. The detached man, he notices, steps back, and focuses on his life. He doesn't react. He lets her come to him, and more often than not, she does. 6. The ultimate power of detachment. Detachment gives you freedom. Freedom from anxiety. Freedom from overthinking. Freedom from the need for external validation. It allows you to show up authentically, without fear. And that authenticity, it's what truly attracts and keeps high-quality women. Remember, detachment isn't about being aloof or uncaring. It's about being so secure in yourself that you don't need anyone to complete you. You choose to share your life, not because you're incomplete, but because you're whole. And that mindset, that's what makes you truly powerful. Stay grounded, stay focused, stay detached.